Okay, so now we will move to the another class, which now another operator, which is a special operator. Special operator is the one of the very good operator, which we can do the lots of things into in here. Okay, so we have in special operator there are five operators. We have the five or four operators we have. First one is the in, second one is the like, third is between and fourth one is actually not will come, but here we are not going to use in not operator into here. I will show that not operator into that place. Give me 1 minute. I just got a one call. 1 minute. I'm sorry. Okay, so now we will go to the special operators. In special operator, actually we have the four operators. One is a in and like, between and then another one is is null. So there are four operators we will go to learn about in this chapter. So what is a in operator? So in operator means which is used to, okay, before going to be using of this operator, I just want to get the exactly Nina record. Actually in this my table we have the first name column. Inside that first name column, I have the one record which is called the Nina. Okay, so how do you select this Nina record from this first name column? What is the query you are going to write? Select first name from employees where first name equal to Nina. So this is how you have to write the query, right? So if you want to take the Nina record
Yeah.
only, you are to writing the query like this. So I just select the query, then it will throw the error because the first name is also selecting. Okay, now you can see Nina record also will come. So in this time actually I want to the Nina record as well the another one guy is like a David record. So if I want to the multiple records, I just click the comma button. So you can see I have the two records. One is a Nina record, another one is a David record. If I ran like this, so you can see Nina I just selected and also David also I am selected. So if I ran like that, so it will throw the error because the comma will not accept it like that. It shows okay. So if you want to add means I just add the whole bracket as well. So now you can also see. So I just try to add the bracket into here. So now we'll try. So now also it will throw the error. Why? Because this is the multiple values. You can see this is one record and this is another record. This is another record. So always this equal to operator works only for single record. It doesn't taking from the more than like it will not works more than one record. So that is what the issue. So if you want to take the only single record, then only we can use for the equal to operator. If you want to take the more than one record, you just use for the in operator. Okay, so now I try to run. Now you can see Nina record also will get and David record also it is picking. Okay, so this is what actually the in operator is doing.
So
So are you
it's in
Mhm.
every aspect it is similar to equal to that.
Exactly. So if you want to take the any one single record, then only the equal operator
Equal
will
to.
work. So you can see select salary from employees where salary equal to, if I ran the salary equal to 10,000 means now 10,000 record only will come. So you can see 10,000 will come. If I want to add the 10,000 and 12,000 also, I need to I need two records. So 12,000 sorry 10,000 comma 12,000, it will throws the error. So if you want to add the bracket also, it will throws the error anyway, because if you have the add the bracket also throws the error. Why? Because the equal to operator always holding the only one record. If you are if you are passing the two records, it can't accept it. Okay, so in this case only we are using for the in operator instead of equal to operator. So in operator, if you are adding that one or more records, you should like add the bracket symbol. Without bracket, I just show, without bracket it throws the error. Okay, so you should add the bracket if you want to have the one or more records. So now you can see in operator will take the 10,000 record as well and 12,000 as well. So it will take the both record. So like an interview will ask to you, how do you pick the, how do you fetch the more than one record? like that if they are asking means you can tell. So I can use for the in operator for this case is because that equal to operator will always picking for the fetching the only single record, but in operator fetching the one or more records. You understand? So now we have one more question.
Yes.
So if you, the in operator can pick the in operator can fetch the more than one record, or it can be fetch the a single record also. We can try. So I just adding the 10,000 only. Now we can see 10,000. So the in operator can fetch the even single record also it can be take. Also one or more record also it will be take. Okay. So if it is single record means it's not required for the that bracket. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. So always this in operator should record for the bracket. So don't forget that bracket if you are using the in operator, it throws the error. Okay. So in operator can take the one record also or more than one record also it can be take. So it is used to fetching the.
I can give multiple values
Ah,
to
yeah,
them, like
you can
three,
give.
four.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
One or more than one record.
Same with characters or
Yeah, we can
like,
pass the same character. Now we can see this is what actually we have passed the character, right? So I just use for the both. So you can pass the Nina, David, and also I just add the one more record. So which is a Steven record. Now you can see Steven also will come, Nina also come, so David also come. So we can
if I give
pass.
any value which is not there in the table, like any one value, does it
Yeah,
throw
yeah,
error? Or?
yeah. If it is, if I passing the value, like if I just passing the my name into in this place. Okay, so this record actually we don't have the record into in this table.
Hmm.
But what will happen? It will never shows the error. It just is checking the Nizam record if it is there or not. If it is not there, it will whatever the record is there, that those record only it will display. If it is not there, those record will not going to be display. If I just add the A and B, you can see all three are doesn't have these records, right? So if I ran like this, what will happen? So no records will come. You can see,
Okay.
are you searching for this record, but this record is not finding because there is a no records into in this table. Like that it will come.
Okay.
Okay, so you can add the more than one to lots of values also you can add. Okay, this is what actually the in operator is doing. So another one is a like operator. So like operator means like they are actually calling the like operator. One more name, it is a random search or wildcard search. So what it mean by the random search or wildcard search? We'll try to see random search or wildcard search. So this is what actually the random search or wildcard search, which means like if you have the random search means, so actually the requirement is what they are actually given to you. So who all are names start with A or whose name start with yes. So actually what they're asking, so whose name start with yes. So display their name only. So written the first name. So this is actually exactly they are asking to you. Written the first name. Who all our names start with? Who all our names start with yes. So you can understand the question. So I want to display the first name of them. So select first name from employees. Order by first name. Now you can see now if I write the query like this means what will happen. So if I write the query like this means, so it will show the all the first names only. First name spelling is incorrect. I just change the first name spelling. So all their first name, so it doesn't show the exact their name. So you can see these are all the first name, but as per the questions who all our names start with yes, so their name only I want to display. So you can see these are all the names start with yes. So here, their name is Samuel, Sarah, Sarath. So these are all the employees actually start with name as a yes. So now we will try to put the query as a who all our names start with yes. So how do we have to write the query? So this is what actually we are going to try to now. So I just try to var class var first name So first name, I just want to the yes name. Yes, its name start with yes only, right? So I just try to equal to and give the yes. So now I try to run. It will never show the output exactly like this. So they're actually they're exactly the expected output is start with the yes. So the ends with any characters. So this is what actually they are using this question. So for this case, actually we are going to use for the like operator, which means like operator is used to random search. What are all the content you can give. If you don't know the content, you can give the percentage symbol. So this is what the random search, which means you can see in this place in this notepad. So what you have to do, so you just give the control F. So if you want to know the SQL means you don't know the you don't know the okay, I just use for the select statement only. I don't know what are all the things will comes after the select. I just give the find next, so it is randomly searching the overall having the select, right? So who are
Yeah.
text having the select. So those only will come. So this is actually what we are calling the random search. So here also you can see they are actually what they want. They want the yes only. So start with yes, but they will never tell after the thing. So what they are telling, if you don't know the text, you just use for the this percentage symbol. So if I add the percentage symbol, so if you are using the percentage symbol, this equal to operator will not work. If I run like this, so you can see the query will shows like a no result. So equal to operator will display the exact result only. So if you want to add the Steven, that exact result only will come. So now that is the reason we are going to be using the like operator. So like operator is the random search which is used for the percentage symbol. So which means what are all the text you can give. So after the text, if you don't know, you can give the percentage symbol. Now I ran this one. Now you can see I can see only for the yes letter start with. You understand this one, which is the random search. So now
Yeah.
they are actually telling to you who all are names ends with n. So how do you start querying for this? Who all are name ends with n?
Select first
Select
name
first name
from employees,
from employees. 1 minute.
where
Where
first name,
first name. Mhm.
like
Like
percentile and single
exactly, great
percentile.
percentage n. Exactly. So this is how actually I just again and again I did mistake. So if you have the right any something in this query, you should close with a semicolon. So otherwise the query will start executing from there. Okay, now you can see Steven, John, Den, Karen, everyone is ends with a N only. Okay, so this is what actually in this like operator is doing. Okay,
Okay.
so if I add the capital N, what will happen? You can see if I add the capital N, so query result will throw the no result. Why it is coming like that?
Because case sensitive.
Exactly. So
It's
because of
data.
case sensitive, so all the data is come ends with a small n only. It's not ends with a capital N. So that's what it's not showing the exact output. Okay, so this is what actually the like operator is doing. So this is the like operator. We can use this percentage symbol, starting character as well, ending character as well. So I added the starting starting character I'm trying to search. So I added the percentage into end, adding the percentage is there starting also. So now we can add the percentage intermediate also. So what they are asking, so you want to add the so overall name start with n and end with n. So this is actually they are actually start with yes, end with n. So this is what actually they are asking. So how do you start writing the query? Select first name.
Select first name from employees,
Okay. Where
where first name,
first name.
single quote, yes, percentile and
Yes, exactly. Yes, percentage n.
percentage.
So I just missed the like operator. So you should add the like operator into here after the column. Okay. So what is the error is showing? So in this SN error is showing. I just remove that one or else add the colon. So now you can see start with the Stephen, Susan. They are all having the start with S and ends with N.
Okay.
Okay, so like that we can add this percentage intermediate from beginning level or end of the level, like that we can add the anyway. So we have the one more operator as well, like we have one more content as well, like if you have the multiple character you can add the percentage. If you want to search the single character you can add the underscore. Now what actually, now we have the one of the phone number column, select phone number underscore from phone number from employees, order by. So order by, I added the phone number into here. So now you can see we have the select, add the semicolon. Now you can see we have the phone number. So in this time actually, if the person gave the phone number like this, instead he is forgetting to given the phone number with the ending character. So I just trying to identify this phone number is present or not. So if I did not add the ending character, it will shows the error only. Now you can see select phone number from employees where phone number equal to, so this is the number which he gave to me. I just try to run. So actually this is not exactly number, you should add enclosed with a single character. Why we are enclosed with single character, I will tell about this. Because it looks like number only. If number contains a multiple dot, which means we have the we have the multiple dots, right? So always you can see number should be having the whole number. So 100 is a whole number. Otherwise if you have to amount means at least it has like a 100.50 paisa. So we will never see like the 100.50 paisa, 0.25 paisa like that. So did you saw the number like this? So we saw the number what whole number, or it comes with a single decimal place. If you see the number with multiple decimal places means it is not a number, it is a character. So that is what I just enclosed with a single quote on here. Now you can see if I ran this one, it is throw the output as a null only, which means like a zero records only it will throw. Why? Because the person gave the exact number only, but I can see there is a no exact number. So the thing is happening for he is missed to one number and ends with one number. So what I need to do, I just go with the like operator. So instead of the last character, I just using the percentage. So what will happen? So it will throw the exact our number. Okay. So this is what actually the like operator is exactly it's doing. So if you don't want to add in the percentage, if it is a single character only missing means you can add the underscore only. So the underscore is a single character finder. So if I add the all these three in all are these places for these many characters means I just want to add the percentage only. If I add the single underscore ones only into here, it will throw like this only, because here it will finding the only single character only. Okay. So if I want to find the multiple character means I just add the two single underscore. If I want to add the three characters, three single underscore. So this is what actually we have to use
Like
for in this. Mhm.
we can never use this also, right? We can directly go with
We,
person
we
and
will never use in real time, no one use for this underscore. Anyway we want to know about this underscore, why they are actually we are kept in here. In this
okay.
percentage will works for everything, right? So it is searching
Hmm.
for single character also, it is searching also, it's searching for the multiple character also. Okay, so this is what the we are using for the person single quote onto single underscore onto here. So this is used for a group of search, which is group of characters characters search. In this underscore is a single character search. Okay, so this is what actually the like operator is doing, which means random search. If you don't know the exact characters, it will be randomly searching and it will throw the output exactly whatever we want. Okay, so now we go to the between and operator, which is range of operator. It is used to actually the thing is it is used to get the range of result, get the range of result. What is the range of result? Now we will try to go to the output in this query editor. You can see I want to the about 10,000. How do you write the query? How about 10,000? Select salary
Salary from
from
employees
employees where
where salary is
salary about 10,000
greater
means exactly
greater
greater
than.
than 10,000. So this is what actually I just try to run. Now I can see the who all are getting the about 10,000. I can add the order by as well, then only it will show exactly. So salary. Now you can see about 10,000. We can get the about 10,000 as well. So now I want to get the below 12,000. So how do you start writing the query? Below 12,000 means select salary
Salary
in
less than.
less than 12,000 exactly. So this is what actually I'm trying to do. So now we can see 12,000 also will come. So till 12,000 I can see. So till 12,000 I can see. Now the query is, now the question is, their ask is, so it start from 10,000, end with 12,000. So the salary should be who all are having the salary in between 10,000 to 12,000. This is what actually they are asking. So it start from 10,000 to 12,000. How do you write the query? So can we try to add the query like this? So in this place add the one more column, salary column, salary less than, sorry, salary. So this is what actually, right? So salary greater than, so it should be above 10,000 and below 12,000. So can we try to run like this? So are you understanding the question? They actually
Yeah,
wanted the question. The question is,
yeah. The values
who,
between 10,000
uh,
and 1,000.
12,000 to 12,000. If I ran like this, how it will become? So it will throw the error, because where class will not accept the multiple condition. Where class always accept only one condition. Now I am trying to add the multiple condition, right? This is one condition. This is
Yeah,
one condition. It will never work. So instead of that, we can do one more thing. So this case only we are going to add the in this between and operator. Between and operator means, like a between means starting character and means ending character. You can add the starting character and the ending character in this between, and so it will show the exact output like that. I'm just trying to add. So adding the same query into in here as well. So salary, instead of this less than operator, I have add the between operator into here. Between means I need to tell in here starting character, and instead of comma it will never works, and salary also it will never works, because already the salary will comes to in the same line. I just removed instead in here, I just add the and operator and remove this character as well. So now we can see between 10,000 and 12,000. So what will come, output will come, it start from 10,000 and end with 12,000. Now we can understand. So it
yeah.
is works like that only. So it start from 10,000 and 12,000. So this is what actually the between and operator is doing, 10,000 to 10,000. So it will exactly it comes to the output. So intermediate output. So now it's coming into the isnal operator. So what is a isnal operator?
One,
Before,
like Nizam, we
yeah,
use in getting two values, right?
sorry, what is it?
Or what? I got confused with in operator.
Okay, in operator means which we
H.
can get
Okay,
the
more than one.
multiple,
Okay.
yeah, more than one records. So if you want to have the more than one record, we can use for the in operator. If you are adding the equal to means, it will never works,
Take
because
only one.
equal will hold only one single value. In this case, we can add the in operator for multiple values. Okay, so for null is null. Before going to the is null, we should know what is the null, what it mean by the null. So I just having the one column only having the null values. That is a column I just show to you, the commission PCT from employees. I'm just adding the first name as well. So now you can see commission PCD column, what is telling to us. So who are all getting the commission of the salary? So like who are all getting the commission for the month? So he got the salary of the month of the salary is 12,000. So some people are getting the commission as well. So this is a 0.4 commission is getting on this month, like that. So 0.3 commission is getting. So John, Kern, Alberto, these are all the people got the getting the commission. In this column you can see null is there, right? So
Yeah.
null means nothing, which means it doesn't have anything. So we can't tell to null is not, null is, yeah, nothing, which is null means nothing value. So which means nothing is there. So we can't tell 0 is null because 0 is looks 0 is also one of the characters, 0 is also one of the number, right? So this
Yeah.
is also we can't tell null, so we can't tell space. So inside the we can see there is a nothing, but we can't tell this is also null because we can see this is also one of the character. So this is also we can't tell the null. So sometimes hyphen, so sometimes what people are doing, so if nothing is nothing is there means, so simply we can put a hyphen. So iPhone also we can't tell as a null. So null means empty without anything. That is called actually the null. Okay. So this is a not null. This is a not null. This is a not null. So what is a null? Null means empty. So if it is not there anything, so you can see here nothing is there, right? So that is what actually they are putting is a null. So now I'm going to the basic web UI. So in that place you can see how their null is displaying to here. So here you can see this is a null. Okay. So null means nothing, nothing is that is what the null. Okay. So now actually they wanted to displaying to you how do you pick the exact 0.4. So for this row only actually we want, how do you pick that?
Select
Okay, select select first name,
salary
salary. This is
commission.
actually, yeah, okay, commission PCT. I just add the var class directly.
Yeah, where
Where which column it has the 0.4 or else with 0.25 I want. Okay, you got
where commission
mm-hmm.
PCT.
Okay, where commission PCT.
We can directly give in
No, what I'm telling, so exactly I want to take this record
equal
0.25.
equal to.
Yeah, I'm trying to use the equal to 0.25. What will come? So exactly the exact 0.25 value. Okay, so we can get it for the exact value. Now you can see I can take the exact whatever I can see that value I can take. So now you can see I there is a whatever you have the value, you easily you can put it into the equal to directly you can take it, right? Now we have the null values, right? So you can see there is a more null values into here in this place as well. There are lots of null values. So how do you pick the null value? So you can use this null value into here. So I just using the equal to null. So because I can see the null into here, right? So equal to null, what will output will throw? So now I can try to run. You can see there is a no result because null is in the equal to operator will not be fetching the null values. So the equal to operator always fetching the exact values, it will never taking the null value, you understand? So
Yeah,
if I ran this one, I can take the value because the value is presented. If I ran this one, it will never display because the null is not presented. Null means always empty, so we can't take the empty into in this place. Instead of the equal to, we can add the is. So then only we can take the output, which means like a is means always it shows a null values, which means is null. So who are all having the null values, those null values only we can pick. So you understand this one?
yeah, got it.
So this is what the is null operator is doing. So is null operator is picking the only null values. So if you have the any like a value, which means like a valid value, which means like a 10,000 is a valid value, right? So we can take it the using the equal to operator. It will be
Yeah,
displaying. If we don't have the valid value, we are not able to pick fetching that record. So we just use for the is operator like a is null. So it is used
so
to.
is null is only for null value.
Exactly. It is only used for the null value. It is used to fetching the null records only. Fetching the null records only. Okay. So this is what actually it's a null is null operator is doing. Okay. So we are done for the special operator. So what is the in operator is doing? It is used to fetching the more than one record. Okay. Akila.
Yeah, yeah, Nizam.
Yeah. In operator is doing for fetching the more than one record. Like operator
Yeah.
is doing for the random search. Between
Yeah.
and used for the
In between
in
values.
between values. Null operator is doing for the
In
fetching the
middle.
null values only.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is what actually the special operators is doing. So we'll complete for today's class. Actually, for my other students also joined. So we
Yeah.
will
Okay.
see for the tomorrow's for the next classes. Okay.
Yeah, Nazam. Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you.